Hello and welcome to Beyond the Deck Page, a video series for independent insurance agents. I am your host, Amanda Yanis, Director of Marketing at Chicagoland SIA. Today I'm going to explain what Google indexing is, why it's important for your website, and how to use Google Search Console to manage it. Let's dive in. First, what is Google indexing? Think of Google as a giant library. When you create a new page on your website, you want it to be added to this library so people can find it. Google indexing is the process of adding your website pages to Google's library. If a page isn't indexed, it won't show up in search results, meaning potential clients won't find you when they search for insurance-related topics. Having your pages indexed by Google is crucial because it means more people can find your website. Increased visibility leads to more visitors. More visitors can lead to more clients. Google Search Console is a free tool that helps you monitor and maintain your site's presence on Google search results. It shows you which of your pages are indexed and can help you fix issues if they're not. If you do not have your Google Search Console set up, I recommend reaching out to Kelsey Ramsey here at Chicagoland SIA or talking to your website developer. If you haven't done so already, you should make sure you have a sitemap added to Google Search Console. A sitemap is like a map of your website that helps Google find and index your pages. It's a simple file you can create and submit through Google Search Console to ensure Google knows all about your pages. Once you are in Google Search Console, you will be able to see which pages on your website are indexed and which pages are not. Along the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a menu, Locate Indexing, and under this you'll see Pages. Here is where you'll see how many pages are not indexed versus how many pages are indexed. Scrolling down a little, you'll see why pages aren't indexed. There are a number of reasons a page may not be indexed, but for today we are going to focus on Discovered Currently Not Indexed and Crawled Currently Not Indexed. This means Google knows these pages exist, but hasn't indexed them yet. To oversimplify things, it basically means Google hasn't gotten around to it yet. Now, you don't technically have to do anything, and in theory, Google will eventually crawl these pages, and pending it finds no issues, they will be indexed. However, exactly when this will happen, no one knows. In my experience, I have found that requesting Google index these pages does speed up the process a little. Doing this is pretty easy. First, select Discovered Not Currently Indexed, assuming you have any. And this will take you to a list of URLs for your website. Click the link, click Inspect URL off the menu that pops up on the right. Google will retrieve some data and take you to a URL inspection page. Now, here you'll see information about the page, usually a bunch of not applicable, and provided the URL is in fact not been indexed, you can request indexing. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. Also, you can only request so many indexing a day before you exceed your daily quota. Do these for as many URLs as you can under either Discovered Not Indexed or Crawled Not Indexed. Wait at least 24 hours and start the process over again. Unfortunately, requesting indexing does not mean Google will do it that day. So you can request the same URL be indexed the next day you are in your Search Console. Going back to why pages aren't indexed, you'll also want to look for either Not Found 404 or Excluded by No Indexing tag. Google hates it when you have a 404 error. So you'll want to look at these URLs and see why they are causing a 404 error and get them corrected as soon as possible. As for the No Index tag, these means there is a snippet of code that is included in the web page that has asked Google not to index a specific page. If you have URLs under this reason that you want to have indexed, you'll need to work with your website developer to have the No Index tag removed. And that's it. By ensuring your pages are indexed, you can increase your visibility, attract more visitors, and grow your business. Use Google Search Console to keep track of your indexing status and submit any new pages. Happy indexing!